So today you can see this is a BMW 3 Series GT which has come for a complete paint job. You can see the complete paint is right now has gone dull and there are a lot of dents and damages in the car. So we will be painting this full car in the paint booth machine, and let me show you the existing condition of this car. So you can see all these are damaged. The alignment of bumper is completely out. So all this will be repaired and not replaced, as we believe in repairing and not unnecessarily replace the parts, which happens generally. So we will be painting this full car in the paint booth machine using premium quality products. So stay tuned. We will let you know once this project is completely done. Thank you guys. So you can see that's the BMW 3 Series GT which has come for the suspension job. So that's the shock ups. Those are the mounts which will get replaced. Stay tuned guys. So finally this BMW 3 Series GT is completely painted and it's ready for delivery, and you can see the gloss of this car. So actually a lot of people ask us why the paint rates are expensive and why can't it be done cheaper and all that. But you need to remember one thing very carefully, like all these cars, like premium cars, you plan to keep it for a few years, right, after painting. It's not that you want to paint the car and just sell it off. So whenever you want to get the car painted or something, you should definitely get it painted in the paint booth machine. Also use all the good products which is required for painting such premium cars. So we have used Glasurit in this, and it's a very good product. The entire car has been painted in the paint booth machine. The process also that we have followed is very much similar to what dealership does, and you can check the result. And the entire car was painted at, I think, less than half of what the customer would have paid to the dealership, but the quality and the finishing is at par. You can check the full car, the gloss and everything. This is a little late shoot because we got delayed in the same, so that's why we could not shoot it at the daylight, but yeah, it's still a good light for us to shoot the video. So let me just give you the walk around of this car. So you can see the gloss, the finishing. It's almost like a mirror. So all the good parts were used, all the good material were used while we painted this car in our paint booth machine. And it's only when you do that you get this kind of result. The life of such paint job is good. So it's advisable that you just pay a little extra but get a good job done, rather than saving it and then you within 6 months realize that that entire spend was not worth. So we are located in Mumbai, very close to International Airport, and we deal in all kind of cars, and we specialize in premium car maintenance, repair, paint job, body kits, etc. Thank you for watching this video guys.